Hey guys, this is Rennie here with MAXX-D Trailers. Today I'd like to go over one of our best-selling gooseneck trailers, which is the LDB. Essentially, it's a variant of the LDX. What the B stands for, it's one of our best-selling configurations. And how we come up with these is we looked at data to see what you guys, our MAXX-D customers, are buying in the most popular configurations. We put that package together and then discount them about $500 on this unit. They are now all engineered beam and neck. So you see this is one piece. You no longer have the gusset welded to two different pieces of I-beam. But where this one differs from the competition, a lot of competitors are coming out with an engineered neck and where they still have a traditional I-beam frame. This one has a full engineered beam frame. So essentially what that allows us to do is right over the axles, where the axles are going to carry the majority of the weight, you can slim down the frame, and right in front of the axles you can widen it up. And then again, it tapers up in the front where you don't need the strength. In a 40-foot configuration, which is what this trailer is, you save about 1,000 pounds going from a standard I-beam trailer to this engineered beam. So that's huge in the hot truck world. Now to go over what sets the LDB apart from the LDX. This one is equipped with these Lippert 20,000 pound rated hydraulic jacks, and they come standard with a tough wireless remote. So you can work this in the bed of your truck, in the cab of your truck, wherever you want to go. It has about 150-foot range. All of your hydraulics are mounted in the front box. So you get this side mount box standard, and then with the LDB, you get this upgraded additional toolbox with a sliding drawer. So what this allows you to do, you don't have to take all your stuff out to get to the one chain and boomer or that strap that you want that's always at the bottom. That's always a pain. So super nice feature there. Every LDX, including this LDB, is equipped with HDSS suspension. So it's got an adjustable arm. If your trailer ever starts to track kind of off to one side, you can adjust it, straighten it back up. And it's got much stouter hangers and leaf springs. So your leaf springs won't ever snap on you the way they do on regular slipper spring suspension. And this is also on a 48-inch spread. We have a set of Dexter 16,000 pound electric over hydraulic disc brake axles. And they are sitting on 16 ply dual tires, a 215/75 on a 17.5-inch rim. The brake actuator for these, because they are hydraulic, is sitting in this box. And it's the only thing in this box. It's not crowded with hydraulic pump or whatever else. You have easy access to that actuator if you ever need to change the fluid, you need to bleed your brakes, you need to do any kind of maintenance, it's all there. This LDB is equipped with 5-foot MAXX fold-over ramps that essentially cover the width of the trailer. So you can load your wide track machines, your narrow track machines, it can do it all. And what this ramp does, it's flush with your bed so that it acts as a straight tail when you need it to. You can haul your pipe, do whatever you want to do. It's very versatile. So what you do, these are spring loaded both ways. I'll show you how easy they are to work. You've got a pin here that's attached with a cable. You don't lose that. And we've got this latch here that sucks the ramp down to reduce rattle. So then you can pick it up. And this ramp actually, you can stand it up in this position so that if you've got a tractor with a brush hog or something that sticks over and you need more than, what in this case, a 35-foot straight deck, if you need more real estate than that, you can come all the way back here. And the best thing is your lights are still visible from the back. Now to fold it over. So that other one would fold over too, and you've got the full width ramp. So your ramp is 5 foot long and your dovetail is a little over 5 foot long. So you've got a combined little over 10 foot of loading area with a pretty good loading angle. Very important to note, this cross member, the final cross member is essentially your transition point. What a lot of competitors do, they'll weld the last cross member 2 to 3 inches below the top of your bumper. And then what that does is you're loading a skid steer or something with tracks. You're coming up here, now you have to climb that final bump, and on that transition point, you're doing the teeter-totter. So with this here, it's a very smooth transition. To show you how easy these ramps are to work, because they're spring-loaded, pull it down, lock it in, and you're ready to go. We offer this LDB in a 30-foot, 32-foot, and a 40-foot configuration. They're the three most popular lengths of any trailer that we build. But as we stand right now, the MSRP on a 30-foot version of this is $25,600. And then on a 40-foot, which is what this is, the MSRP on it is $31,600. Click the link down below to find your nearest MAXX-D dealer and pick one of these trailers up yourself.